Discover how the Sunrise Alarm Clock Collection revolutionizes your wake-up experience, banishing grogginess and energizing your mornings. Explore the science behind gradual wake-up and how it improves mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. Journey through dreamy locations as you wake up, from serene mountains to tranquil beaches, all from the comfort of your bedroom. Learn how to set up and customize your Sunrise Alarm Clock experience for optimal results and a personalized wake-up routine. Transform your mornings from groggy to great with the Sunrise Alarm Clock Collection and start each day feeling refreshed and energized. Visit our YouTube channel to see the Sunrise Alarm Clock in action.